With no monthly fees and unlimited fee-free transactions, the Oxygen Business Account is well suited for small business owners who are looking for an affordable way to separate their personal and business finances and manage them on the go. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Oxygen account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Oxygen and search for it. So here's the Oxygen app that you are looking for. To download the app, all you have to do is tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. The app might take some time to load. After that, tap on the option Login. Now you need to enter the email address and password of your account. So enter the details and then tap on Login, and that's it. You'll be logged into your Oxygen account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.